This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Schneirla. Two-story townhome with 2 bedrooms upstairs that each have their own bathroom, half bathroom downstairs. Granite countertops in kitchen with tile floors. Laundry closet upstairs. Storage shed conveys. Flooring in living room, hallway, and dining room replaced in 2021. HoA has pool, clubhouse, playground, tennis courts, and grounds maintenance. 1 block to HRT stop, 1 block to Botetourt Gardens Park, 2 miles to I-264, right in the heart of downtown Norfolk's dining and shopping. For more information, review the details below.